Carmina Villarroel and Richard Yap brought their chemistry to Japan. The abot kamay na pangarap lead stars posed like a true love team during the cast's recent trip to Nagoya. As seen in photos posted by Carmina, she and Richard walked arm in arm, and complete with kilig faces. RJ and Lynette in Nagoya, Japan. Sir Janito and Tisay, the actress said in her caption, "Missing Japan." The abot kamay na pangarap cast was in Japan for GMA Pinoy TV, ang saya-saya ng Pasko event in Angel Park in Nagoya on December 16 and 17. The series also stars Jillian Ward, Ken Chan, and Kazel Kinuchi. Clee Pineda is set to join the series' new chapter in 2024. Abot kamay na pangarap celebrated its first anniversary in September. Jillian Ward and Ken Chan previously teased more intense episode of the series. The medical drama series is so well loved that fans once sent coffee and snack booths to the set.